morning. Today we are going to take Dulcamara. Dulcamara seems to affect all mucous membranes and has a tendency to establish discharges, both acute and chronic. Dulcamara is easily disturbed by wet weather, cold changes in weather, or when the body is cold, suddenly he is exposed and his perspiration is suppressed, then he is very much affected. And this is the keynote of Dulcamara, that he is aggravated in cold, wet weather and he is ameliorated in dry, even weather. It is wonderfully useful remedy in diarrheas at the close of summer season, hot days and cold nights. Diarrhea of infants with changeability of stool, these kind of diarrheas are ordinarily relieved by acute remedies like Pulstilla. But every time the child is exposed to too cold, he comes back with diarrhea. Unless physician realizes that this diarrhea comes after exposure to cold or being chilled, then Dulcamara cures such cases. It has chronic recurrent dysentery after cold. There are certain kind of business that constitute Dulcamara state, such as ice handlers, ice cream man, cold storage people. They are working in cold rooms and handling ice in summer season. And again they have to come out in hot rooms, and then again they go back to cold rooms, and these are the subjects that are prone to get diarrhea, bowel trouble and catarrhal affections. Dulcamara cures such chronic diarrheas. It is in the nature of Dulcamara from being chilled when person is perspiring, means suppressing a sweat, or going from very hot atmosphere to cold chilly room or in icy room, or throwing off the clothes when he is perspiring. Fever may come, aching in bones, fever with trembling, and he is in a distressed state. Dulcamara is full of rheumatic conditions, sore, bruised, inflamed joints with redness, aching, sensitive to touch, caused by suppressing the perspiration, going from high to low temperature, or by cold wet weather, or being chilled. Worse in the evening, night, and during rest. Dulcamara has catarrhal conditions of eyes with thick yellow discharges, granular lids, as if every cold settles in the eyes, and he has sore eyes after being chilled. Dulcamara has catarrhal conditions of nose with bloody crust and thick yellow discharges. In infants and children who has snuffles, he cannot breathe through his nose and he has to sleep with open mouth. And this is all aggravated during the cold, damp weather. It is markedly an autumnal remedy. As soon as the cold nights and cold rains come on, there is increase of catarrhal discharges and rheumatism. Kent says, our mothers used to make ointments of Dulcamara, and it is astonishing how soothing it is when it is applied to a smarting wound. It produces ulcers and ulcerating conditions of mucous membrane. It starts as an herpetic eruption which spreads, and there is yellow pus, no healing, no granulations, and eating conditions appear. Surface do not heal, especially on the shin bone. There are raw places which even extends to periosteum and to the bone, causes necrosis, and carries. So we have affections of skin and mucous membrane. Vesicular eruption first, and then it spreads, eating conditions appear, and there is necrosis. It is especially related to sensitive bleeding ulcers with false granulation, phagedenic ulcers, that is, destructive ulcers and corroding ulcers. Arsenic has this state and leads all other remedies. Phagedenic ulcers, spreading ulcers, eating ulcers in arsenic, but that has come from bubo, which will open and will not heal. It is wonderfully eruptive remedy, producing vesicles, dry crust, brown crust, herpes, impetigo, that is a multiple boils like eruptions spread with enlargement and hardening of glands. Eruptions on the scalp that looks like crusta lactea in babies. Extreme soreness, itching, rawness, and itching is not relieved by scratching, and scratching goes on until rawness and bleeding takes place. Eruptions on face, on forehead, cheeks, and nose all over with crust. Children and infants, few weeks old, break out with such eruptions, and Dulcamara cures wonderfully in such cases. Dulcamara cures ringworms in hair, on scalp, and on face. It is as frequently indicated as sepia, arsenic, petroleum, graphitis, sulfur, and calcarea. Coryza dry, relieved by motion, and worse during rest and cold air. Here in Dulcamara, you will often find a state in fall of the year, that is around 20th of August, called hay fever. When cold rains begins, there is wetness in the environment and hot days, cold nights. He has stuffing up of the nose with constant sneezings. He is relieved in heat and warm room. There is sneezings, watery discharge from eyes, nose, and heat ameliorate and cold air aggravate his condition. Dulcamara is sensitive to newly grown grass and drying weeds. These similar conditions of hay fever that happens in spring season are cured by Naza and laxes sometimes. So we have to observe the time of the year, time of the day, hot remedies, cold remedies, wet weather aggravate or cold weather aggravate, sore throat in cold damp weather. There are forms of acute Bright's disease that Dulcamara cures. After scarlet fever, malaria, or any acute condition, or when the patient is chilled, exposed to cold, wet weather, feet commence to swell, there is albumin in urine, and limbs are waxy, and there is constant urging to urination. And Dulcamara will often take care or is suitable for such kind of cases. And in bladder katra, there is copious muco or mucopurulent discharge. And on standing, there are sediments of thick yellow discharges. There is constant urging to urinate. Every time he takes cold, symptoms are worse. And he is aggravated in cold, damp weather and is better in warm room. There is another symptom. Patient says that doctor, if I go to cold place or I get chilled, I have to go to urinate or to stool. In dry teasing cough that go away in summer and return in winter. Sorinum has also this dry teasing cough in winters. Arsenic has Also winter coughs. Cough in cold, damp weather, wet weather, or after being chilled. Rash on face before menses. Rheumatic lameness and stiffness in lumbar region from being chilled or exposure to cold. Pain in lumbar region extends to lower limbs. Drawing pain that is ameliorated after motion and stiff neck after every exposure to cold. Dulcamara is a great remedy for warts like causticum and thuja. It has large fleshy warts, smooth or flat. A patient was having a large wart on lower lid of right eye interfering with his sight. Dulcamara CM was given and the wart begins to dry up within a week and gone after 3 weeks.